Got back from going to a dairy. Your hair is awesome today. Hi, handsome. How are you? And we're gonna go get eggs. Nice weather for ducks. Rocky found more eggs. And we're feeding the baby chicks. Here, chicks. Here, chicks. Mommy, look how good they look. What is up, movie goaters? My hair is halfway in, halfway out. Obviously, it's a new way to wear it. Pretty cool. We just got back from going to a dairy. It was a lot of fun, and the tickets, after we did like the milk parlor, we got to see it. The lady was like, all those animal activists, no, we're good people, we treat our animals well, we do practices that we've been doing for over 100 years, and the cows are okay, we don't sell raw because blah blah blah. And I was like, okay. So it's starting to rain. I'm trying to get my steps in, and yeah. But anyway, I have a little bit of footage of it. We got to like pet cows and baby cows, and they're so cute. And there's a sign that said, please don't feed your fingers to the cows, because you could. And don't feed your children's fingers. Well, they're in the pool, so they don't mind all the rain. But if I hear thunder, they're out. So that's come on, scooch. There you go. Your hair is awesome today. There's a baby over here we can go see. Come on. Hey, pet him. Take a picture. You can turn around and smile if you want. I just lost you. I was like, where'd you go? Pet this one. Not a lot of spots. Hey, hi kitty. Hi Moon Pie. I'm trying to walk today, okay? Sweet little boy. He's so sweet. You're the sweetest. Oh, I think it's starting to rain. Hi, handsome. How are you? How are you? Do you know the kitty trick? Moon Pie, do you know your trick? Yep, you do. You know how to say hi. Good job. There's a chicken. And her rooster. Boy. It's nice weather for ducks. At least the plants are getting rained on. What is up, Booby Goaters? I ate. I've been walking. I'm almost at 10,000 steps. It's kind of a boring day because it's raining on us right now. And Rocky's with me. And we're gonna go get eggs because that's what we normally do. Right, Rocky? Nice weather for ducks. Tomato plants are getting rained on and all our seeds. This actually looks kind of cool. I like it. My little keep the animals away garden. Yeah. All right, Rocky, this is the first one. There's 3 eggs. Oh, that's your job. That's why I brought you. Is it okay? Oh, we gotta check the baby chicks too. Do you want to come with me or want to stay out here? Okay. Sure. Let's give them a treat. Let's check the baby chicks. Look at them out there looking at us. Alright, they need some food and water. Let's do it. Rocky found more eggs. And we're feeding the baby chicks. Here, chicks. Here, chicks. Mommy, look how good they look. I put them all in there. Alright, we still have to do something. Come with me. Alright, you hold the egg. I can't believe they left this over here. Here, you can wipe it off on me. Are you drinking coffee without butter? What is wrong with you? I know what you need. Butter? Butter. Butter is an amazing thing. It's great high energy fat that you need to get you through your day. But if one already carries a ton of their own fat, wouldn't it be interesting if you drop the butter? What? Yes, I have dropped the butter. It is true. Butter Woman has dropped the butter. But don't worry, it shall be back. Because let butter be thy thing that you need. Just 2 butter balls is 100 calories. Only 2. That is 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't overdo your butter, but also don't underdo your butter. It's good for your brain. Good healthy fat is good for you. So remember, even though Butter Woman has dropped the butter, she doesn't want you to. Butter is great energy, 0 carbs. It's so swell. When I eat butter, I feel like Butter Woman. I got the eggs. You did good. You didn't break any. All right, let's go home. It's getting too slippery out here. Come on. This way. Go through the gate. You'll be fine. I think we did a good job. That's yours. I think I need to drink some salty water. My leg, I might start getting a cramp. A little bit of salt's good. So I made the kids chicken wings, and they're all acting like it's not good enough. And I'm like, what do you want? Want some burgers? Do you want burgers? I made Rocky sausages because she wanted to eat them like Bluey, right?
Yeah.
Were they good?
You're wet.
Yeah, we are. He said, Mommy, I'm wet. And I'm like, me too. I'm soaking wet. So I want to thank you guys for hanging out with us, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Observe the human family in its most joyful habitat. They venture into the barn to establish contact with the locals. A young calf approaches, instinctively seeking its primary source of nourishment. Energy is expended in a series of complex social displays on the playground. During the communal hayride, the younger males engage in primitive facial mimicry.